Hello, my name is María Fernanda Supanteve Niño. I am 23 years old. I am from Corrales, Boyacá. I live in city of Corrales. I live with my son and my husband. I am current topography and I am studying industrial engineering. My hobby is enjoy time with my son. My favorite sport is the basketball and my favorite TV show is the Doctor House. Here are three people my family very important to me. 1. My mother is María del Carmen Niño. She is 56 years old. She is a housewife. She is from Corrales, Boyacá. My mother is very nice and fun. She is the best because she helped with the care of my baby. She is short, her eyes are brown, and he has black hair. 1. My husband is Diego Marco Trino Herrera. He is 25 years old. He is an assistant engineer. He is from the municipality of Chachi. My husband is the best in the world because he is affectionately understanding and very special. He can use all the take care of his family. He is tall, his eyes are blue, and he has light brown hair. My son's name is Nicolas Emmanuel Cotrino Supante. He is 22 months old. He is the baby of the house. He is very spoiled with the father and the mother. He is very affectionate, very gentlemanly, and of good manners, and very intelligent. His eyes are black and hair is light brown.